Hey, today is March 29th. Yeah, I just woke up. It's 4 p.m. I went to bed like 10 p.m. and now it's 4 p.m. So how much? Like 18 hours? Yeah, I feel kind of dizzy, but yeah, what can I do? Probably I was very exhausted. Just the problem, wasted day. So just came to this temple, check it out. It's like 1 kilometer from my hotel, super close. So I should decide to stay here, but pretty much not a lot to do here in Surat. There is like beach, Dumas, but yeah, I don't know. Going to a beach in India, Barkala is nice for a beach, but here I don't know. So there is that statue I want to visit, but I need to get up 5 a.m. and like stay at the place. So also I'm still considering it. So I'm somewhere at this place of South Indian food. So it's super crowded, so it should be good. Yeah, cool place. Like I was interested in dosas. I wanted to get a dosa, and here you go. Like my prayers were answered. So basically, the main dish is dosas, like a whole variety of dosas. I took the cheesy one, masala. It was a lot of cheese, a little bit like too much, but still very good.
This one please.
Yeah, this one piece. Okay, so that's a bill now. This is 80 rupees. 80? Yeah, that's a lot. So I met this man. He offered me some pancakes. This is his wife. He has a shop here. Yeah, so so the guy offered me waffles for free. He showed me his shop, probably with the idea maybe I buy something, but still I think they don't get a lot of tourists here, so it's quite different to see a white person. Like a lot of people just staring, like ask you where you come from, are you married, how old are you, like well, what's your profession, what do you do, and just a lot of things, you know, like how do you like India. The young man asked me, do I like China? Yeah, and stuff like that. So but yeah, for 12 a.m. the city is still alive. I mean, even further from the city.